What's up guys, and welcome to the official trailer for the Galaxy S10. Yes, this is indeed the official reveal trailer for the Galaxy S10, and it has now leaked. Everything regarding the Galaxy S10 family is out. My last video was actually taken down. It was a review, a short review of the Galaxy S10 family, showing some of the cool tricks like reverse wireless charging and stuff, but doesn't matter because this trailer pretty much reveals everything there is to see. So we got the Galaxy S10 Plus. Obviously, the design is everything that we have expected. We got two holes up front, and also you can see the speaker, which now looks like the Galaxy Note 9 speaker, and it also has a Type-C port in the middle. You can see the microphone hole as well, and then our 3.5mm headphone jack. In 2019, where everyone is getting rid of the poor jack, Samsung is keeping it alive. All three models will be coming with the headphone jack. Despite having one of the thinnest designs out there with the biggest batteries, they still are keeping the headphone jack, and for that I want you guys to comment F right now to pay the respect. And the trailer then highlights the significance of having the Infinity O display, how it's now able to give you a full bezel-less look towards the top, and then of course you've got your in-display fingerprint scanner. For the first time on a Samsung phone, you've got a in-display fingerprint scanner, and it is the first phone to have the latest of Qualcomm's, which is the 3D Sonic in-display fingerprint scanner. It works really great, has a really cool animation as well. If you have seen the previous leak video, we actually saw how it works, and it does work really good as shown in this trailer. Now towards the back, you've got three cameras that will give you a complete experience. You've got a normal lens, a super wide angle lens, and then a telephoto lens. The trailer then highlights that how the camera's AI capability will now enhance colors. As you can see on the left and right, there's a day and night difference. The camera processing is looking really good, and then we have the charging gains. So not only do the Galaxy S10 family pack reverse wireless charging, as you can see, they also do pack faster fast charging compared to the previous models. And then finally, one of the biggest releases along with the Galaxy S10 family is the Galaxy Buds, which will go head to head against the AirPods. And of course, their casing can be placed on the back of the S10 to charge them wirelessly, so that is pretty cool. And then we have the final shot that shows off the triple camera sensor of the Galaxy S10/S10 Plus. We've got Bixby volume rocker on the left, and then the power key, which is indeed placed higher compared to Bixby to stop that accidental presses, is there as well, as we have seen in the renders. The Galaxy S10 text going all the way across the display, showing off the curve. And this is, by the way, the new dynamic Amoled display, which is said to be more color accurate than the previous generation. And something similar has been used for the Galaxy Fold. So dynamic AMOLED display has been used across all of these Galaxy bad boys. So it's looking really good. This is indeed the official trailer that got leaked by Samsung Norway. So pretty much everything is in front of you. Also, Evleaks tweeted out the name for the foldable phone, which Samsung will be showing off tomorrow alongside with the Galaxy S10 family. So it's going to be called as Samsung Galaxy Fold. This was trademarked a couple of months ago, and it seems like this really is the name that they have finalized for their first ever foldable phone. So yeah guys, the official trailer is indeed here. In case you don't know about the specification, here are the specs for all three models. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for full Galaxy S10 coverage that is coming your way in the coming days, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.